One special usage problem in subject-verb agreement pertains to indefinite pronouns. A pronoun is essentially a substitute for a noun. For instance, if I am speaking about someone named Harry, I might use the personal pronoun he. If I'm speaking about Gladys, I might use the personal pronoun she. But the indefinite pronouns are less exact. They include words like everybody, someone, everything, all, none. Some of the indefinite pronouns are always singular, referring to one. Some of them are always plural, referring to more than one. Some can be singular or plural depending on the meaning of the sentence. Okay, here's the first rule. The following words are singular. Each, either, neither, one, no one, everyone, anyone, someone, anybody, somebody, everybody, nobody. Even though some of these words imply more than one entity, they are singling out a specific person or thing. Here's an example. Each of the boys has been selected to attend the percussion workshop. Although more than one boy is going to the workshop, the word each addresses the boys as singular units, as individuals. Here's another. Anyone with a flashlight is invited to search for the lost dog. Again, many people may be involved in the search, but the word anyone focuses on individuals. You might be able to limit some of the confusion by looking at the ends of these words. If the word ends in O-N-E, then it will be singular. If it ends in B-O-D-Y, then it too will be singular. You already know that O-N-E and B-O-D-Y are singular words, so the variations are also singular. Try a few on your own. Nobody on the field hockey team brought blank permission slip for the invitational tournament. Everyone in the office blank the ability to answer the phone, but no one blank to be bothered. Anybody on the football team can invite blank parents to the spaghetti dinner. Either and neither can be confusing, as you noticed in the subject-verb agreement part 1 video. When they are used with or nor, then other rules apply. In this lesson, however, we'll look at how they were used by themselves. Here's an example. Neither was accepted for the football scholarship. The sentence implies that more than one person was involved, yet the indefinite pronoun addresses each person individually. Here's another. Either is capable enough to handle that responsibility. Again, more than one individual is isolated and addressed individually. Try a few on your own. The principal decided that neither of the boys blank allowed to participate in the after-prom party. Please let me know if either of you girls blank to babysit for my twins tomorrow night. Neither of the grandfathers blank a summer home in Florida. The second rule is a little easier. The following words are plural: several, few, both, many. These words imply more than one entity, so logically, as subject of a sentence, they are plural. Take a look at these examples. Several of the houses in the neighborhood were damaged by the strong wind. The teacher feels that both are suitable class representatives. The third rule gets tricky. The following words may be singular or plural: some, any, none, all, most. It all depends on the meaning of the sentence. If one of these words refers to a singular word, it is singular. If it refers to a plural word, it is plural. Here are two examples. Some of the novel was considered inappropriate for middle school students. Some of the dogs in the kennel were adopted today. In the first sentence, the word some refers to a novel, which is singular. Therefore, a singular verb is used. In the second sentence, the word some refers to dogs. Therefore, a plural verb is used. You may have noticed that these particular words, some, any, none, all, most, will probably be followed by prepositional phrases. This is an exception to a previous rule. Unlike the examples in the first rule, whether or not these words are singular or plural does depend on the object in the prepositional phrase which follows it. Try a few on your own. Manuel soon found that none of the apple pie blank left. I think most of the children blank finished their ice cream. Blank any of the bird seed left in the feeder on the porch. All of tonight's math problems blank easy. So in review, some indefinite pronouns are always singular. Some of them are always plural. And some indefinite pronouns can be singular or plural depending on the meaning of the sentence. Learn the difference among them and select the appropriate verb.